am also a part of Aussie now. In the roster it says Aussie team. Yeah, so how are you all doing today? Oh, I see one handsome man here.
Thank you, sir.
Wow, you look so pretty and handsome. I said pretty because, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So, may I know your name, please?
Yes, my name is Polly.
Polly?
Yes, Polly.
Is it that a Polly house?
No.
Okay, a Polly.
No, my name is, that's my first name, it's Polly.
And what is last name?
My last name is Titian.
Politician?
Yes,
Are you a
politician.
politician?
I'm a politician.
Oh my, that's surprising. Clap your hands, cheer. Dear children, we have politician among us this evening.
You should recognize a good politician when you see one.
Oh, really? So to recognize you, can you just brief us what would you like to do for the congregation or the society here?
Okay, my election platform is a little bit different.
Okay, and what is that?
Okay, first of all, I am going to ensure that children only have to go to school 3 days per week.
Are you joking?
No, all the children can go to school just 3 days a week. Is that a good idea?
समजलं तुम्हाला? ते पुढारी आहेत, राजकीय पुढारी आहेत आणि त्यांचा पहिला अजेंडा असा आहे की शाळेमध्ये मुलांनी आठवड्यातून फक्त 3 दिवस जायचं. आवडेल का तुम्हाला? Wow, that's amazing. What else you have?
And for every day they do go to school, my government will pay them 100 rupees each
If
they go to school.
wow. ते राजकीय पुढारी असं म्हणत आहेत, जर तुम्ही दररोज शाळेत गेलात तर तुम्हाला त्यांचं शासन 100 रुपये दिवसाला देईल. आवडेल का तुम्हाला? You already have a big fan following.
But that's not all.
What else you have?
When they graduate from primary school to high school, my government will give them 1,000 rupees each.
Oh, you know what? I feel now I also should go to the school.
Well, are you old enough to go to school?
Not though, but yeah.
No, sir. I think you are a little bit old to be a student in one of our schools.
I can hear my dye. I hear my dye. Maybe wear shorts.
No shorts. No shorts.
No shorts.
You would not look good in shorts.
जर तुम्ही हायस्कूलला गेलात तर त्यांचं शासन तुम्हाला 1000 रुपये देईल. आवडेल का? Do you like that?
Okay. Now, also, I'm going to introduce an adult tax.
Adult tax.
Yes.
And what is that?
All adults have to pay a special 10% tax on their salary.
Okay.
And that 10% tax will be used to build more schools for the children.
Wow. So that means you are targeting the children and also the adult. त्यांचं शासन प्रौढ लोक जे आहेत त्यांना असं म्हणत आहे की तुमचा जो काही पगार आहे त्याच्यामधून 10% कर म्हणून घेणार आणि त्या करामधून ते आणखीन जास्त शाळा उघडणार आहेत. आवडेल का तुम्हाला? Oh, you like it.
Now, people don't really like taxes, but we have to have taxes.
Okay.
So I'm going to introduce a new tax, and it's called a mustache tax. A mustache tax.
मिशांचं कर.
So every man, hopefully not the women, every man who has a mustache will have to pay an extra 1,000 rupees to the government.
Where is the barber shop? Let's go and shave off all the mustache. ज्यांना मिशा आहेत त्यांना गव्हर्नमेंटला 100 रुपये कर म्हणून द्यायचं आहे. 1000.
And while you're thinking about the barber shop, don't be too hasty, because I'm going to introduce a bald tax.
Wow, that's going to be really amazing for those people who are already bald.
Yes, so for those who are, bald, there's going to be a tax.
Really?
It's only a small one.
जे टकले आहे त्यांना सुद्धा कर द्यायचा आहे.
It's only 500 rupees.
आणि ते फक्त 500 रुपये त्यांना द्यायचं आहे. My, your government's going to be very prosperous. It's going to be very successful.
And I'm going to introduce a law that says all of the married men have to give their wife 1,000 rupees each week to do the shopping.
Each week?
All the married men.
All the companies give your request to your HR for the increment of your salaries. सर्व नवऱ्यांनी जे पती आहेत त्यांनी आपल्या पत्नींना दर आठवड्याला शॉपिंग करण्यासाठी 1,000 रुपये द्यायचे आहे. The married husbands are going to cry out.
However,
Yeah.
there is some good news.
Okay.
I'm going to introduce a compulsory increase in salary
Oh, wow.
for all teachers.
All teachers, that sounds so good.
50% salary increase for all teachers.
50% पगार वाढ सर्व शिक्षकांमध्ये होणार आहे. आवडेल का तुम्हाला? Yes, they like it. I must say, you have wonderful agendas for the growth of the society. Would you mind sharing a few thoughts to the society here?
A few thoughts.
Yep.
Okay. One thing I think you all need to do, boys and girls, is you need to study very hard.
आणि जे पुढारी आहेत, राजकीय नेते आहेत, त्यांचं असं म्हणणं आहे की सर्व जे लेकरं या ठिकाणी आहेत त्यांनी चांगलं शिक्षण घेतलं पाहिजे, चांगला अभ्यास केला पाहिजे.
You need to work very hard at Marathi
आणि तुमच्या मराठीमध्ये तुम्हाला चांगलं परिश्रम घ्यायला पाहिजे,
and English
तुमच्या इंग्लिशमध्ये
and mathematics
आणि तुमच्या गणितात,
and science
तुमच्या विज्ञानामध्ये,
and what else do we do? Geography.
जिओग्राफी, हिस्ट्री,
History, yeah.
येस, इतिहास, भूगोल आणि हे सर्व विषय.
Okay, and I just think I'm wondering now. If you think people might vote for me,
I think with the agendas that you have in your mind and the list, surely they would. You can vote. You can ask for the
I
vote.
just forgotten a couple of people.
Okay, yeah, okay, yeah.
All farmers,
All the farmers.
all the
okay.
farmers
Yeah.
are going to get a bonus from the government
Uh-huh.
every year.
Okay.
Okay. 1,000 rupees
Uh-huh.
for every acre of land they grow crops on.
वाव, शेतकऱ्यांसाठी एक ऑफर आहे. जर त्यांनी 1 एकरच्या भूमीमध्ये जर चांगलं उपज घेतलं तर त्यांना प्रत्येक वर्षी शासन जे आहे ते 1,000 रुपये देईल.
Is that good?
That sounds so good.
And all the maintenance people,
Uh-huh.
for every leaking tap that we find, there will be a fine of 500 rupees.
वाव, हे ऐकायला पाहिजे तुम्ही. जर तुमच्या नळामधून पाणी पडत असेल, खूप टाळे वाजत इकडे. जर तुमच्या नळामधून पाणी पडत असेल तर जे मेंटेनन्स टीम आहे त्यांना 500 रुपयाचा दंड भरावा लागेल. Maintenance teams are going to cry
Because
they're going to check all around.
We need to preserve water.
Correct, that's
Okay, okay.
so right.
Having said that, do you think they will vote for me?
I think they would do.
Can I have a show of hands? Who will vote for me in the next
तर जे
election?
मतदानामध्ये उभे राहणार आहेत तर त्यांच्यासाठी किती जण वोट द्यायला तयार आहेत? Wow, there's a whole crowd here.
Even my friend Pastor Salve is going to vote for me.
Oh yes, that's going to be amazing.
And he's going to have to pay a beard tax as well as a moustache tax.
Yes, he did. Yeah, he do. Yes, yes.
But he just knows it's going to be such a good government
Correct.
that it's not going to matter. It's going to be okay.
Good. That sounds so good.
So thank you very much for interviewing me today.
Thank you so much for coming and joining with us this on occasion of Children's Day. That was so amazing.
Thank you, all good people. I look forward to seeing you on election night.
Vote for
And we'll claim the victory.
Vote for Vote for Vote for
Thank you.